Invasion-of-the-Cow-Snatchers is a single-player logic puzzle for ages 6 to adult. It features 60 challenges, with 5 levels from easy to genius. You are an alien who has been sent to Earth on a mission to investigate the most bizarre of all Earth creatures, the cow. Your mission is to fly your UFO over and around a series of farm obstacles to beam up all of the cattle. The UFO, cows, and bull are all magnetic, so beaming them up is a cinch, if you can get around the farm obstacles. The game includes 2 hay bales, 2 fences, 2 crop rows, 3 barns, and a silo, which acts as a blocker piece. The game also includes 5 crop circles that will help you complete a special mission found only in the 20 Genius Challenges. To start, select one of the 60 challenge cards. The game includes 40 easy to super hard challenges perfect for beginner puzzlers, and 20 Genius challenges great for experienced puzzlers. Let's start with an easy one. Set up the pieces to match the challenge card, placing your UFO on top of the clear grid cover. Your goal is to beam up all of the cattle, but you must pick up the Red Bull last. Keeping your UFO flat on the grid, slide it around and pick up cows as you go. Watch out for the silo! As you pick up more cows, your stack will grow longer. Don't let your cows crash into any walls. When all of the cattle have been picked up, with the Red Bull picked up last, fly your UFO away. You win! Once you master the first 40 challenges, try your hand at the Genius level. Your new goal is to fly off with the cattle in this exact order. To succeed, you will need to drop off cows at crop circles, then pick them up later. Pick up cows like usual. Then, if your UFO flies over a crop circle, you can lift your UFO off the grid to drop cows off at that spot. After dropping off a cow, set your UFO back down in any adjacent space not blocked by the silo. Continue flying around, picking up and dropping off cows until the stack is in the correct order. You win! Invasion of the Cow-Snatchers is a fast, fun game that will help players build their spatial and sequential reasoning skills. And the easy to genius level challenges make it perfect for both beginner and experienced puzzlers. Take control of your very own UFO to solve 60 out-of-this-world magnetic challenges.